Hello, I'm Teacher Callie. As many of you already know, I am a recruiter and mentor for a number of online ESL companies, one of which is BlingABC. So, when I first started with BlingABC, I found that there wasn't a lot of content available on YouTube about the company or about any of the hiring process. So, part of the purpose of this video is to bridge that gap. And it's also by popular request of some of my recruits because there's just not a lot out there, not a lot of examples. So this video is all about the demo. So the first demo that you do in the application process. So if you're looking to apply to BlingABC, first and foremost, I've popped the link along with instructions on how to do so below. You'll also find a list of companies that I work with as well if you're looking for somewhere else. If you do apply or you do have questions about anything, you can find my contact information below as well. And lastly, I'm always putting new content on my channel, so definitely feel free to click subscribe below to keep up to date with all of my updates and content. Now, this video is going to be two parts. I'll try to keep the first part relatively brief, but the first part is going to be some tips that I have for you with regard to doing your demo successfully. And then the second part, I'm actually going to demonstrate the demo lesson for you and show you pretty much how I did it. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into part one. Okay, so a couple of tips for you. First of all, is about where the interview is going to take place. So when I did mine, it was on Skype. I've recently heard they're now actually doing it on a different platform. Not our normal teaching platform, from what I understand, but just a different platform. So when I did mine on Skype, I did not have access to any tools or anything to draw, circle, write on the slides. So my suggestion for you, because I'm also not sure if it's available on this other platform, is to plan to do your lesson accordingly. So don't plan on being able to circle or draw on the slides. I did mention to my interviewer a couple of times during the demo that I would be circling or something to let her know that I did in fact know how to use tools and where to incorporate them. But of course I didn't actually have access to physically do so. So keep that in mind and don't rely on the fact that you will have a pen tool or something during your demo to do that. So that's one big tip for you. Another one, time management isn't a huge issue for your demo, so something to keep in mind. Don't overly stress about watching the clock. From what I've gathered, the interviewer will actually stop you whenever they've seen enough. So, they may stop you a few slides in, they may let you finish the whole thing. Don't take it as a bad sign. It's just what they're choosing to do. So don't stress overly about time. Obviously, try to move through the lesson like you normally would. But again, your interviewer may stop you at different points. Another big thing that I have found with BlingABC is you will find in your demo lesson that there are filler slides. Do not skip any slide in normal classes or in your demo. So you'll see there's a slide for warm up, listen up, your turn. These are important and they want you to not skip and just breeze past them. You need to actually stop on these slides, say, warm up, or whatever you want to do. Maybe, some TPR or something to go with it. Just spend a couple of seconds before you move on. And that's pretty much the main tips as far as the logistics of the demo. The other thing I want to say, I think there were three big reasons that I passed my demo. So things that I want you to pay attention to when I do my walkthrough here shortly. One was TPR. I did lots of instructional as well as educational TPR throughout. So I'm always moving, lots of action, lots of support to whatever I'm saying to the student. Number two, I had tons of props. And the things that you see me using today are pretty similar to what I used during my actual demo, except, I've replaced the chocolate because I enjoyed that between. But I think props really help. So I think it shows that, you're capable of making the class interesting, using visual aids, and keeping a child engaged. The last thing was enthusiasm. If you can't already tell from my videos, I'm always high energy, and I brought that to my demo lesson. So I was enthusiastic about everything. I was celebrating my student, giving them lots of praise. So TPR, props, and energy, I think, are the big things that help me pass my demo. Okay, so I promised I'd keep this part as reasonably short as I could. So now let's go on to the actual demo. So I'm not gonna stop during this demo. I'm gonna teach it as if I were, teaching my interviewer, pretending that there's a student there. And then I'll wrap up at the end for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump in to my demo. Hello, my name is Teacher Kelly. What is your name? Sally. Hi, Sally. My name is Sally. Yes, very good. Sally, how old are you? 5? I am 5. Good. Sally, are you sad? No. Are you happy? Yes, very good. I am happy. Yes, well done. Okay. I like fruit. Good. Fruit. Good, very good. Okay, let's go. Warm up. Yeah, very good. Oh, these are some silly faces. Do you know what they're made of? Yes, fruit. Good. Sally, what fruit do you see? Yes, banana. Do you like banana? No. Okay. Okay. Would you like to eat these faces? Yes, me too. Okay, let's get started. Listen up. Yes, very good. Okay, Sally, like. Good. Like. Yeah, well done. This boy likes what he's eating. Yum. He wants more. Sally, I like blue. What color do you like? Pink. Ah, I like pink. Yes, well done. Awesome job. Okay, let's see. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate. Good. Chocolate. Good. Very good. This is chocolate. I like chocolate. Yum. Do you like chocolate? Yes, very good. I like chocolate. Yes, awesome. Very good. You are doing amazing. Oatmeal. Good. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Yes, very good. This is oatmeal. Ugh, I don't like oatmeal. Ugh. Do you like oatmeal? No, me either. Very good. You are doing amazing. Oh, Sally, look at this cute bear. He looks good to eat. What is he made of? Yes, fruit. Very good. Sally, what else? Chocolate. Yes, very good. Chocolate. Yes, very good. Sally, do you see bread? Yes, very good. Excellent. Where is the oatmeal? No oatmeal. Very good. No oatmeal. I don't like it. Very good. Awesome work. Sally, do you like bread? Yes, good. Yes, I like bread. Good. Yes, I like bread. Yes, very good. Okay, let's practice. Do you like bread? Yes! Woohoo! Good sentence! Woohoo! Awesome work, Sally! Okay. Oh, your turn. Let's see. What does Sally need to do? Oh, these brothers and sister like good things to eat. One brother likes chocolate. Do you see any chocolate? Yes, good, very good. Chocolate. Yeah, good. The sister likes bread. Do you see bread? Yes, bread. Yes, very good. Good pronunciation. Last one. One brother likes fruit. Good. Do you see fruit? Yes, good. Very, very good. Awesome work today. Okay, you did amazing, Sally. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye, Sally. Okay, so that is my demo for you guys done. So hopefully you noticed the things that I mentioned before. I didn't skip any slides. I stopped on each of those fillers and just kind of did, a little TPR and announced the slide. My timing, I think I was at about 9 minutes. Of course, you can always spend more time practicing. One thing that I didn't mention in part one, my interviewer student, pretended to be a 5-year-old at very beginner level. So when I did my demo just then, I kind of tried to stay near that for you guys. Do make sure you correct any pronunciation errors that you hear. I know my student made lots during our demo, so do pay close attention and correct anything that you hear. And hopefully you noticed, I did use my TPR lots of energy, lots of praise, and of course, all the props that I was bringing out. So those are kind of my tips for you to make sure that you ace your demo. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. So hopefully this helps a bit when you're preparing for your interview/demo with BlingABC. Again, if you want a mentor or you would like to connect with me, definitely reach out below with my contact information. And of course, as I mentioned before, definitely click subscribe to keep up with all of the updates on my channel. Thanks, guys.